Hello and welcome to the first video presentation of my multimedia enterprise, AlainLeclerc.com. My name is Alain Leclerc, President and author of the enterprise AlainLeclerc.com, and my pen name for my writing is Alain Leclerc. I will tell you in a few words about my business and how I became a writer. I started writing short text while studying in high school. At the college level, I specialized in literature and continued my studies at the university in literature. When I wrote my first short story for a class, a professor complimented me on my writing style, and another professor encouraged me to write a book. It was then that my first book was started in 1986, while researching the kind of books I wanted to write next, and also under what themes I wanted to develop to specialize in a particular theme. The AlainLeclerc.com website began in 2007 when I asked a friend and website production specialist to produce the website and reserve it on my behalf. It was also the same year that I self-published my first book, Fictional Style, which was my first marketing and publication experience. Subsequently, 2 years later, I published a second book, Essay Style, but this experience was short-lived. However, this did not prevent me from continuing my writing and specializing in the main themes of writing, education, and development of the subject of motivation and academic perseverance, the environment, and unity. So this is my first video presentation, and I invite you to follow it, to like it at my artistic adventure, to talk about it, and to share it. I appreciate your support. Thanks.